Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the beautiful Aster and Turtle Creek, the Aster and Turtle Creek, and I'm really enjoying this 2-bedroom model that's here. This is on the 16th floor, and it's stunning. I mean, just look at this bedroom, this kitchen. It's just amazing. I love the white countertops, the quartz countertops. It's just gorgeous. I love the accent cabinets. And then I love all the entertaining spaces here. It's just stunning. I love the windows that are here. I love this huge island. The flooring is beautiful. Everything about this is just perfect for your high-rise experience. You're gonna have some fantastic views out here too. Just amazing views ready for you, where you can just see so many parts of the city. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love the lighting too when it comes in. It's gonna just light up the whole room, give you energy, give you excitement, even just in your apartment. So if you're ready for that perfect experience in a perfect high-rise, this is your place. What I want you to do is, there's a number below. That's my personal cell. Send me a text and just say, hey Grant, love what I'm seeing. I'd like to get some more information. Send me, when you send that text, just include your name and just maybe a little bit about yourself, move-in date, those kind of things. And then we'll just talk from there. One of the things that we love doing too is we love giving virtual tours. So we'll set up a virtual tour for you, get you a Zoom live tour, and we can set that up at any time to help you make it easier for you to get what you want. I look forward to hearing from you soon. And now we're going to go explore the bedrooms here in this beautiful Aster Turtle Creek.